Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, I have closed from work, and this is the current situation. I absolutely love the rain. Water is my earth element. Anything that's got to do with water, I absolutely love. Thunderstorms, beaches, waterfalls, lakes, rain, cloudy skies. I love it. Showers, playing in the rain. I would love to run out there right now, but it's too cold. If I had someone to run out there with and we'd be cold together, then that would probably be tolerable. But it's a little too chilly right now. You remember those spring rainy days where it would rain and the weather would be warm? That's the kind of running out in the rain I prefer. Playing in the rain and then coming back into the house. So many memories of doing that. And I did do it with my kids. I'm so happy I had the opportunity in my lifetime to do that with my children. But like I said, it's just a quick video to show you guys that it's raining. I just wanted to share that because I love the sound of rain. Oh my gosh. And being in my new mobile space, it just brings you closer. It sounds like it's closer for some reason. If that makes any sense, but I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. And for those of you who do not know, I am in the parking lot of the emergency room across the street from where I work. So it is literally across the street. And I don't have anywhere that I have to drive practically to after I leave work. So, and it's safe, it's well lit, as you can see. It stays like that all night. It's never really overly crowded. Staff comes and goes. I see them time to time. I have seen the security guy. I have spoken with him. And I feel really, safe over here. And I get plenty of sleep. You do occasionally hear the ambulance and also the medevac, the helicopter. I do hear that. You cannot not hear it. So, but it's not something that keeps me awake or anything like that. And whenever I hear, the emergency vehicles, I do pray, for whoever is involved. But I tell you, this rain just relaxes me. I'm so sorry, you guys. You heard that yawn? That's what it does to me. Totally relaxes me. I don't need to go to any spa. I just need some rain. That's it. So, it is chilly. And I don't know what I'm going to eat for tonight. I may just open a can of soup. I'm not really hungry. But yeah, I'll probably just, have a bowl of soup. That's pretty much it. One thing I have noticed though, since being in my mobile space, I don't eat as much as I did in the house. And it's probably because you don't want to take up the time to cook all of the things that you used to cook in the house. I think that's what it is. I do eat healthy. No, I'm not going to be a junk food eater. No, I still eat healthy. I just don't feel the need to eat as much. So If I want a snack, I normally do fruits. I have a lot of canned fruits, pears, fruit cocktail, pineapples, things like that. And then crackers, of course. You can do crackers, peanut butter, something like that, to snack on instead of junk food. So, excuse me, here I go again. But just a quick video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that quick shower with me. I really did. It's going to be off and on all night, which is going to be great. See, it's starting up again. I love it. Absolutely love it. So what is your earth element? Share that with me and let me know how you feel about the rain. So you guys, thanks again for stopping by. Please remember to like the video. Send me a comment. Subscribe to the channel. There she goes. And hit that notification bell. Share the video, please. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Have a wonderful and safe night. Remember to smile, because it will definitely make someone's day and it does not cost you anything. Good night.